Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to review a product which is the world's best noise cancellation headphones. Yes guys, the product I'm talking about is Sony's WH-1000XM4s Mark IV. Well, who keeps the names like that, 1000XM4, XM3? I think Sony should change their naming strategy. So keeping it aside, these are told to be the world's best noise cancellation headphones. So I bought this product for the review. I bought it from the Amazon sale, Prime sale. So I'm going to unbox this product and also give the initial impressions of this product. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And by the way, this is Vikram and you're watching Techno Thumber. So these are the Sony's 1000XM4s. This is the retail unit and it has written wireless noise cancelling, noise cancellation. It has the 30 hours of battery backup and this is Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. It has the support for Google Assistant and Alexa. Also, this has also the support for 360 reality audio. It means that you will get a theater-like experience. But there are limited apps that support this feature, and also these are some of the gestures which they have told us how to, like, we can swipe right and left to skip to the new song or go back to the previous song, up and down to turn up and down the volume. So this is the link to the Headphone Connect app which you can use to download the Sony app. So so it has high resolution audio, NFC sense engine, LDAC, which is the Sony's codec, digital noise cancelling, and this headphones feature DSW Extreme. So I have bought this retail unit, like it is manufactured in August and it cost around 30,000 rupees. So let me unbox them. So inside you will get this box which has the link to how to download the app and how to connect the headphones to your mobile device. Oh my god, what is this? Look at the case. Wow, I am just intrigued with the quality of the case. The case is solid and it looks luxury. I'm not kidding guys. This is the quality you expect when you spend whopping 30,000 rupees or $350. See the finish guys. It has the detailing of this case is very good. I am just pleased with the case only. And so are you ready to open this case? Yes, I am pretty much excited to open this case. Okay, let's open this case and woohoo! We have the Sony's Mark IV 1000XM4 headphones. Wow guys, let's keep it aside for some time and look what else do we get in this box. This is just the cardboard which the instructions to keep how to replace the headphones back. So we have this 3.5 mm jack, like it has written don't plug in the AC outlet. So this is used whenever we are in the planes and they do not have the option to plug in 3.5 mm jack, so we have this adapter. So it is a good thing that Sony has included this with these headphones. Yes, like some companies are even removing the chargers and headphones, so this feels good, like we don't need to have to purchase extra accessories if we are spending so much amount of money. So this is a nice aux cable which is used to plug into the headphones. Yes guys, the quality is excellent over here as well. The quality is excellent of each and everything, and this is a USB-A to Type-C cable to charge these headphones. Yeah, it's pretty tiny, but we all have the Android phones or iPhone, so this is something that we can live with. So let's keep the case aside and let us look at this product. Oh my god, look at this guys. They look amazing. Yes, they have the finish of, like, you cannot distinguish between Mark 3 and Mark 4s because they look identical. You can just look at this is a visual with like they have written Mark 4 over here. I don't think if my camera is able to zoom over here, focus over here. See, they have written Mark 4. Like, this is the only thing that have which is the difference. And also they have the pretty much same build quality, but I think but Mark 3 had the simplistic design, and I think it is good that they carry it forward because they look good, and also the detailing is very good, and it also has the proximity sensor which is used to detect whether you're wearing headphones, and it plays and pauses the music automatically according to it. And yes, it is a left turn and right ear cup, and it has a custom button which you can use to trigger Google Assistant or Alexa, or even turn on and off noise cancellation. It has a power button and a option to add 3.5 mm jack. So Sony has told that there are 5 microphones in this product. So guys, now I'm going to use them and let you know the initial expression. Let me connect these headphones to my smartphone. I have Galaxy S10 Plus, and I have also downloaded the Sony Connect app, which is right here. So I will connect it using my NFC. I just have to tap my phone over here and it will connect automatically. Okay, let me just wear them. Oh my god, guys. So it says Bluetooth connected. These are pretty comfortable, and they also block the lot of the ambient noise. Like, the passive noise cancellation is excellent, and yes, they're pretty much comfortable. Like, they are not much, like, I don't feel tightness around my head or ears. So what I'm going to do is, let me connect it to let me check this app. Okay, so this is the Sony's Connect app, which says 1000XM4s, and these have a ton of features. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to ambient sound and turn it on. Oh wow, guys, I'm unable to hear anything. Like, everything is just like muted. Like, if you are watching a movie at 100%, then the audio the sound that will pass through the headphones would be like, it is coming around 10 to 20%. And more. The noise cancellation is excellent. Also, the app has the option to turn on control the level of noise cancellation. Let me check it. Okay, now I have changed to window noise reduction. Yeah, I feel a little effect with that. No, I am turning up the volume. So now I have turned to ambient noise 20. It means that it will pick the sound from the outside and route it through my headphones, so that I can hear the cars coming from, and even the people who are talking to me. And there's also option to focus on voice, which will pick up the voice and route it through the headphones. So this means that the passive noise cancellation will also not work over here, because the headphones will pick up that voice and play it through the speakers. Okay, there's a speak to chat feature, which means that if you're talking to someone, the headphones will detect that voice and they will automatically stop. But the con here is that if you are like singing this song along with, when you're singing, you start singing alongside, they will pause. So that causes a lot of discomfort. There are also a ton of features, like these headphones have this port for two, like you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously, and this is a big feature because previous Mark 3s had the problem with the sound control. Like the previous Mark 3s had the problem, like you can only connect one device, but with this you can connect 2 devices simultaneously. So let me play the music. Oh my god, guys, the sound quality is excellent. Like the lows, mids and highs, they are crystal clear. This is because this also supports the LDAC codec along with the DSW Extreme. So what is does that DSW Extreme does that it it recreates the missing bits in the audio and gives them to the headphones, and they sound excellent. I used them with the turning on the noise cancellation and I couldn't hear anything from the outside. Yeah, the sound quality is excellent. This was my initial expressions, and I would say that these headphones are excellent, but let me do the in-depth analysis and I will give you the full review with all the pros and cons of these headphones. I will do the detailed feedback with all the comparisons and example videos. So guys, this was all about the Sony's 1000XM4 headphones, and wait for my next video about the full in-depth analysis of the headphones. So till then, see you, bye bye. And guys, please subscribe to this channel because these things keep me motivated, and thank you.